Hi everyone, this is Roslyn Hill here. This is my book, Latch Hook Crochet for Beginners, and it's Crochet the Easy Way Book 1. There's lots of ideas in this book. This little girl's wearing some bracelets that we've made. Okay, so I'll put that to one side and we're going to do another bracelet today. This is one we've done before with the bullion stitch. Bullion stitch is one of my basic stitches. It's a nice one to do, and you might have had a go at this. So we're going to do one similar. We're going to call it the bullion leaf bracelet. We'll get straight on with it using our latch hook and some yarn. We'll start with our slip knot. Okay, so we're going to do a few chain stitches before we start the bullion. We need quite a few. 1, 2, 3. Oops, that didn't go right, did it? Right, we're going to go okay, let's start with some yarn and our latch hook and a slip knot. There we are. Now we're going to do quite a few stitches to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we'll do 12. Okay, so we've got quite a chain length to start with. And now we're going to do the bullion. And if you remember, we have to go round and round, go around as many times as you like, but for this one we like to go around quite a few times, so we'll do about 12. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keeping them loose, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's quite a lot. It's quite good. Okay, and then we go over and we pull that through all of those loops on the hook. Okay, and then you do a chain to finish it off. And pull it tight, and that makes a nice curled bullion stitch. And then you need to go back along your chain with a slip stitch. We've done this before. So go into the first loop that you can find there, and make a chain, and slip stitch along that back along that chain. Okay. So as well as having the bullion on the end, we've also doing a similar sort of thing when we did the leaf bracelet. So you've got a leaf bracelet, a leaf with a bullion on the end. Go into that chain there. Okay, we'll do another of those. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we've got 10. Now for the bullion, we said we did 12 last time, so we'll do 12 again. Move it up here a bit so you can get all your yarn overs on there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then go through the end there and pull that chain through, that loop through all of those, and then do a chain and pull it tight. Okay, I'm ready to go back down this chain here. It's a good idea, you can do it on the back there, but it's a good idea to turn it over so you can see your chain properly there. Go into the first one. I think I went into the back last time, so move it round so you can see where the chain is. And slip stitch along there. Okay, see, make sure you can see that. Work your way along. You can make your leaf as long as you like. So we've got bullion on the end of the little leaves. and just continue that way. You can do as many as you like between each bullion chain length, and you can make the chain length for your bullion leaves as long as you like. I'm not counting now. I'm just going to do a few, and then I'm going to go around. You can do it like this. I'm just hooking it round and round, or you can just wind it round. I'm not even counting now. I'm just going to do a bullion on the end and go around, pull it tight, find the front of your stitch here, your leaf there, and work your way back down that leaf. Okay. I'm not sure you can see this. There. And that can become a nice bracelet. Okay. I won't do the whole of the bracelet, it's up to you. You can do some other things in between. You could do some just bumps in between if you like. Or you could do some puff stitches in between. Make your bracelets as creative as you can. So I'm just going to leave that there. Okay, if you could subscribe, that would be great, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.